Do you want to improve your communication skills? In our daily lives, effective communication is a vital tool. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to enhance your communication skills and build stronger relationships. Openness and honesty are the building blocks of effective communication. These words ring true in every aspect of our lives, be it personal or professional. When we communicate openly, honestly, and vulnerably, we create a space for trust and connection to grow. Imagine this for a moment. You're in a conversation and you're holding back, not sharing your true thoughts or feelings. The result? Misunderstandings and missed opportunities for connection. Now think of a different scenario, where you express yourself clearly, directly, and authentically. The outcome? A stronger bond, a deeper understanding, and a solid foundation of trust. Openness in communication means being honest, not just about the good, but also about the bad and the ugly. It's about sharing your fears, your dreams, your failures, and your successes. It's about being human, being real. But remember, being open doesn't mean spilling every single thought that crosses your mind. It means expressing yourself with respect for your own boundaries and those of others. It means speaking your truth, but also being open to hearing and understanding the truths of others. This dynamic of mutual openness fosters a sense of trust and connection that is unshakable. It creates a safe space for both parties to be themselves, to grow, to learn, and to thrive. Remember, trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and it is built through open and honest communication. Good communication is not just about speaking, but also about listening. Now let's delve into the concept of active listening. This is not merely hearing words, but truly understanding the message and emotions behind them. It's about focusing on the speaker, providing feedback, and showing empathy. When you listen actively, you show respect for the other person's perspective, which fosters trust and connection. Imagine you're in a conversation. Are you just waiting for your turn to speak, or are you genuinely interested in what the other person is saying? If you're merely waiting, then you're not actively listening. Active listening is about being present, engaged, and tuned in to not just the words, but the tone of voice, the emotion, and the hidden nuances. Active listening is like a bridge connecting words to understanding, empathy, and ultimately effective communication. It is the art of being fully present in a conversation, of truly understanding what is being communicated. It's a skill that needs practice, but it's definitely worth the effort. Active listening is a crucial part of effective communication. It shows the other person that you value their perspective and are willing to understand them. Difficult conversations are inevitable, but how you handle them can make all the difference. It's a dance of words and emotions, where the right steps can lead to a harmonious resolution. Let's explore some strategies that can guide you through these challenging dialogues. Firstly, maintaining focus is paramount. It's easy to get sidetracked by emotions and heated debates. But remember, the conversation's goal is to address the issue at hand, not to veer off into unrelated territories. Secondly, keeping emotional outbursts at bay is crucial. It's natural to feel a surge of emotions, but letting them dictate the conversation can escalate the situation. Instead, take deep breaths, practice patience, and express your feelings calmly. Injecting humor can also be a lifesaver, especially when the tension starts to rise. A little laughter can lighten the mood, making the conversation less daunting and more constructive. Finally, understanding and respecting each other's perspectives is key. You may not agree with the other person's point of view, but acknowledging it can lead to mutual respect and smoother navigation of the conversation. Remember, the goal of any conversation, especially difficult ones, is understanding, not winning. To sum up, effective communication is key to building and maintaining strong relationships. Remember, it's not just about the words, but the tone, body language, and active listening. Openness, honesty, and vulnerability build trust and connection. Active listening ensures you understand and respect each other's perspectives. And when it comes to difficult conversations, maintaining focus, avoiding emotional outbursts, and a dash of humor go a long way. Improving your communication skills is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing these tips and watch your relationships thrive. Please leave a comment and share your tips on how you have improved your communication skills. Also, if you have found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this.